Hey everybody, this is Brey's Ways. I wanted to show you today the breads, the faux breads that I've made. I started making these a few days ago and I just finished them a couple of days ago, but I had so many other things that I wanted to do before doing this video. So today I get to show them to you. I want to first mention that I had never seen anything um, like this before, and I wanted to know how to make it. And the first time I saw faux breads was from a channel called Anna's Sweet Art. And she has a lot of good videos on there. You should check her out. And I wanted to give her kudos for this because, well, she was the first lady that I actually saw do the faux bread. So for me, you know, she was my first one. So I'm going to show you what I did. I spiffed mine up, my way, as Bray's Ways goes to show. But I wanted to show you what I did. On this one, I made a bread, what do you call a poppy seed bread. And all this is that insulation foam that I put into a tin that I had gotten just for this. And I think I had started showing you guys in another video the same loaf to mention that I was working on the others, and I don't remember showing them to you, but I wanted to get back to you guys and show y'all how it ended up. Looks really good, huh? And of course it's lightweight. You basically just feel the weight of the tin pan. And I finished painting it. It took me about 4 colors to paint it, and I ended up sprinkling the top with black sand on top of Mod Podge. That I Mod Podge just the top part, then I just sanded it with the black sand from Dollar Tree, and then I went back over it with the Mod Podge to make sure that that sand wasn't just going to come off. Otherwise you'd have sand all over your house. So I went back, and as you can tell, it's a little shiny. That's because I used that Mod Podge. But it came out beautiful, and everyone likes it, and I totally love it. And I'm going to be able to put it now in my kitchen. And then the other one was a pan that my mother gave me. She was about to throw it out. She didn't want it. So I wanted to, refurbish it, reuse it. And I thought I should come up with little loaves. So I came up with these little guys. And this one right here actually has sprinkled cornstarch on top to make it look like powdered sugar. And it's a faux bread with the chocolate drizzle. And all I did was, after I painted up all the loaves, I went back and then I started decorating them up. So this one has the chocolate drizzle made out of burnt umber craft paint. And then after it dried, I just went back and I just sealed it all. And then I sprinkled it lightly with some cornstarch powder. And I made sure that it wasn't going to be coming off. So it stuck pretty well. The second one has those painted crunchies that I had done in a previous video, and I decided to use some of them to look like nuts on top of that loaf. And this one had a thick drizzle of, I believe it was burnt umber, and I want to say nutmeg brown, kind of mixed in together, and I used that as like a frosting to adhere the nuts. And then I went back on there and Mod Podged them. I Mod Podged them all. The third one right here is, of course, my lemon drizzled lemon crunchy loaf that I did. And then the last one is just a simple, what this one has is, I had some leftover faux ice cream from my patriotic Sundays, and I just kept it. I kept it to the side. I added some um, sands and little pebbles that I had kept together in a little container to give it a little bit of bulk. And then I just let it dry into little patties, and then later on I just crumbled up the patties and I just ended up sprinkling them a little bit on top. So that's what that is. And then that one's a chocolate, it's supposed to be a chocolate bread. And I think they look so cute in these little pans. If you have one like this that you're not using, you can do the same thing. And of course the breads, again, are made from the insulation foam that comes in a can. You can buy it practically anywhere. I get mine from Walmart, and it's the GE brand. I was using another one before, but I don't know if they got rid of it or what, but I couldn't find it last time, so I bought the GE, and it worked pretty well. Now these loaves, I they're pretty much set. I did try to take them out. I could not take them out. I was experimenting at the time. I suppose that you could spray the bottoms if you wanted to with maybe some cooking spray, just so that they will loosen up and maybe see if they will pop out. I will have to try that and see if that works. But my plan was to actually just leave them in the pans because I thought they were so cute, and that way I could use the pan itself to hang them up on a wall like that, or lean them against something at an angle, or just leave them out like this, you know. Either way, you know, they really look adorable, don't they? They look realistic. My husband really liked them, and I showed them to my son, and he got a kick out of them. Like, Mom, they look so real. I'm like, yeah, don't they? Aren't they cute? So I wanted to show you guys that I had made these. I just hadn't had the time to show them. But I have a lot more ideas coming up. I've been a busy little bee doing all these things. And I just wanted to point out that I take care of my husband. My husband is with me all the time. He does have Duchenne muscular dystrophy. For those of you who don't know what that is, please do your research. Just look up Duchenne muscular dystrophy and you will know what that's about. He's my companion, my best friend. He's been with me already for about 9 years or so, and he's always there supporting me, and you know, he gives me some ideas and everything. He's really a wonderful person. So this little shout out is for my honey. And so I'm always, you know, busy doing stuff inside or outside of the home. So this project here of having my YouTube channel is challenging. It really is. But for years and years I had been coming up with so many ideas of, you know, just being crafty, being creative. I've done so many crafts, so many things. I'm an artist, as is my husband and my son. And before COVID, we were very super active in selling our art. We always did, you know, pretty good, and we were pretty successful. But with COVID, you know, we decided to take it easy because of my husband's health, and we all have lung issues. So that was another reason why we decided to, you know, lay off on doing that for now. But we are still staying active in our drawing, our painting, and everything. So this right here that I'm doing is just a little extra to kind of, you know, give me something else to do. I love creating, and when I started seeing this on YouTube several years ago, I think it's been like about 3 years, I did not have a channel back then. I was too busy doing so many things, and I thought, oh, it's going to take so much time off of my schedule and whatever. So I kept putting it off. I wanted to, but I kept putting it off. And it wasn't until just recently, about almost 2 weeks ago, I decided to give it a whirl and everything, and it's been going very well. I am super excited, and I'm very grateful for the subscribers that I do have. And I hope that those that come around my channel to, you know, take a peek at what I'm doing will subscribe as well. I would definitely appreciate having more subscribers. Like I said, I'm just starting this, and I'm having a lot of fun with it and everything, but it would really mean a lot if you did subscribe. And that way you can like and comment and share. And if you hit the little bell on there, it will alert you next time that I have a video. So please, don't hesitate to subscribe, and leave a comment every once in a while. It's nice to hear feedback from those of you that watch, and it just keeps me going and motivates me. It gives me something fun to do. I do paint. I would like to do maybe some painting demos. I call them demos. I'm old-fashioned, but I have been wanting to do that and get back to painting. But as you can tell, I've been so into doing all this faux stuff that I've been wanting to put things out there, and share my ideas with those that are doing the same thing. I just get a kick out of it. It's a lot of fun. And the cool thing about it all is that it's not a competition. When I went into it basically just wanting to make new friends, share ideas, have some laughs, just have a good time, because that's really what it's all about. Life should be about having a good time, right? And like I did, I give kudos where kudos should go, and I I really would like to be able to hear more from you guys, and just keep on following, and you know keep giving me your support, because it does mean so much to me. I totally appreciate all of you. So until next time, please subscribe if you haven't, like, share, comment, and hit that little bell, and I will see you next time around with another faux project or project. I'm not even sure what, or if I'm just going to do a crafting video or what, but I do have some more faux things I would like to do. Some that I am thinking about doing right now. Actually, I might do a video next of something hands-on. But keep watching and keep supporting. It means so much to me, guys. So until next time, this is Brey's Ways. God bless you and take care. Bye-bye.